Hi, it's Kerry. Lots of animals and fun on the farm today. I'm featuring some new horses from the Schleich Horse Club today. All my animals are by Schleich. Subscribe and give a thumbs up if you like farm animals. Can you tell me how many goats in today's video? The Sarahs love petting the baby animals, and we have a naughty lamb escape today. This is the Schleich pickup truck with a horse box. It's a hot pink colour. You can see inside through the sunroof. The doors of the truck and the horse box can be opened and closed. The horse box has enough room to fit 2 Schleich horses, and the roof can be removed. It was very easy to assemble. A horse box is referred to in many other ways, sometimes called a horse trailer or a horse van or horse float in Australia or New Zealand. And here's the horse carer. She comes with 2 brushes for grooming the horses. The Friesian mare comes with a set, and it includes this beautiful green and yellow blanket. This is the Haflinger Stallion. It's such a beautiful horse. And here's inside. It comes with some carrots and a bale of hay. A closer look. I love the braid in the hair with the ruby coloured ribbons and matching ribbon on the tail. The Haflinger Stallion is a versatile breed that is usually a tan, golden or chocolate colour with flaxen mane and tail. It is native to the country of Austria. It is a type of draft horse. The carer makes the horse's coat shine. And here's the mare and foal. We'll take a closer look. The Haflinger foal. And the Haflinger mare. Beautiful braiding with ruby beads in. And a matching braid on the tail. This breed has large eyes and a muscular body. The 2 Sarahs want to feed the foal. I've got a box of horse food here and accessories. Let's take a look. I love the broom, it's so realistic. The 2 Haflingers start to eat, and then the Friesian mare joins them. The set comes with some accessories. An adjustable saddle. You can see the stirrups there as well. A lead for the horse. A green and yellow coat. And the bridle. A closer look at the carer. good in her green shirt and black quilted coat. I'm making a pond. The bird life are arriving. A goose, a swan and cygnets, and 2 ducks. And here are the chickens and roosters and the dog and cat. Amber the Saint Bernard, the 2 roosters, a grey cat, 2 chickens, and lots of baby chickens. Time to feed them. This is Amber, our Saint Bernard. And here are the cows. This is the Simmental family. And now for the Holstein family. The 2 Sarahs feed the calves, and the tractor's going to bring in some food for the adult cows. They're having a bit of a rub down. Goat, a pygmy goat, a ram, a ewe, a lamb, and a baby goat called a kid. The 2 Sarahs feed the baby animals, and Matt brings in some food for the sheep and goats. Sarah's planted a garden and is watering it, looking after it. She's hoping for some seedlings. And here they are. A bit more water might do the trick. And here's all her vegetables growing. There's a fence around them, and she puts a log down to keep the animals out. But we have a naughty lamb that manages to get in. Amber, the Saint Bernard, is on the job. Sarah and the farmer David quickly pick up the lamb and pop it back. That should help. Sarah gives Amber a tickle under the ear. Lots of visitors to the farm today, and it appears that the Schleich Horse Club animals are pulling in the crowd. The new horses are absolutely beautiful. The Friesian mare and the Haflinger family. I'll be showing you some more Schleich horses soon. Tap the bell icon to be notified when my next new video comes out. Thank you for watching my video. Please share my videos with your friends. See you again soon.